Do you know what sets you apart from the rest of the others as an employee or as a job seeker? It is your set of soft skills. More often than not, many of us overlook the importance of soft skills and pay more attention to hard skills and experience. However, soft skills are vital for an employee and, for that matter, for every individual. This video will list a set of soft skills that will help you grow in your career. So, what are soft skills? These are skills that refer to various personality traits such as attitude, communication, critical thinking, time management, creative abilities, etc. Soft skills help in capitalizing on your potential and help you stand out. All those educational certifications don't matter if you are poor at these soft skills. Hence, you must groom your soft skills. After careful analysis, we list the top 5 most important soft skills a job seeker or an employee must have. 1. First and foremost, you must possess good communication skills, both written and verbal. Being a good communicator is crucial in any workplace. Having strong communication will boost your chances of building healthy relationships with your co-workers. You can enhance your communication and presentation skills by joining various public speaking workshops. 2. Next up is your adaptability. One thing you should always remember is that your work might not go as planned. Hence, you need to be flexible and be adaptable to accommodate new changes and find alternate solutions. To be adaptable, you need to be an adopter for change and keep up with the pace the world runs at. Employers look for professionals who are capable of meeting new challenges and who create new benchmarks. 3. Third in our list is problem solving and critical thinking. So, what do you do when you confront a problem in your workplace? Do you crib about it or do you look for a solution? Hope your answer is to look for a solution, because that is exactly what you get noticed and make you an asset in an organization. To be a problem solver, always think of solutions and not the problem. Critical thinking is also another important skill. You need to bring new perspectives and well thought out solutions to help the company progress. To do this well, learn to analyze and critically observe every situation. 4. Next on our list is teamwork. The success of every company depends on the hard work of all of its employees. Every employee is different, and each of them has their own set of strengths. It works best for an organization when all the employees collaborate and capitalize on their talents and work together towards a common goal. This way, everyone wins. Office culture also primarily depends on team players. Furthermore, you should always be able to collaborate well with your coworkers, which strengthens your work quality. To be a good team player, always extend a helping hand to your colleagues, which will surely help you someday. 5. The last skill set on our list is time management. The old saying goes, time and tide wait for no man, is indeed very true. Every job has its tight deadlines and pressure. Employers look for candidates who can deliver good results within a stipulated time and set stress aside. Nobody wants to have an employee who doesn't meet deadlines. Yes, you should do your work well, but at the same time, keep in mind the deadlines. You must be able to manage your time well to provide fruitful results. Time management can also help when you work under pressure. If you efficiently organize and prioritize your task, you will manage your time well and deliver your work on time. This way, your employer will have faith in you and give you more crucial responsibilities. So those were our set of the top 5 soft skills every professional must have. Apart from these skills, it would be best if you always remember to carry a positive attitude. Even when things might fall apart, it is of utmost importance that you carry a positive outlook, which will surely help you overcome your problems. Soft skills help build a reputation, opening the door to more opportunities that you can ever imagine. So don't just rely on those educational certificates to grow in your career. Instead, make sure that you incorporate these soft skills, and you will surely see how different your life will be. So that brings us to the end of this video. I hope these tips are helpful to all of you out there, and I wish you all the very best. Thank you for watching the video, and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.